Hello everyone. Today let's make vegan cutlets using avocados and chickpeas. These plant-based cutlets are creamy and extremely flavorful. Let's jump right into the recipe. In a large bowl, add boiled chickpeas, then red onion, chaat masala powder, add minced garlic, ginger, red bell pepper, chopped green onion, coriander powder, and avocado. Mix everything briefly. Then add chopped coriander. Using a big spoon, mash everything very well till it gets mushy and well combined, or pulse until the mixture is well combined but still has some texture in it. Add salt to taste. Keep mixing till it gets well combined and mashed. This looks perfect. Mixture is well combined. Now add oat flour and mix well. Alternatively, you can also use all-purpose flour. Vegan cutlet mix looks amazing. Let's check. Take some mixture in hand and make a small patty. If it doesn't stick, it is good to go. If not, add 2 tablespoons of flour. Let's make slurry. In a medium-sized bowl, add flour, then add little water at first. Then gradually add water to make a semi-thick paste. Add salt and mix well. Slurry is ready and has right consistency. Keep it aside. To shape vegan cutlets, scoop out portions of mixture and shape them into small cutlets or patties. Before frying, coat each cutlet in flour, shaking off any excess and covering it in a thin layer of flour, ensuring an even coating. This step helps in absorption of excess moisture in cutlets and helps in proper coating when using slurry, which is our next step. Dip cutlet into slurry and then coat in breadcrumbs, just like this, ensuring an even coating. This will give our vegan cutlets a nice crispy exterior. Make all cutlets like this and keep it aside to rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a quick coleslaw. In a large bowl, add vegan mayonnaise, lemon juice, brown sugar, olive oil, and seasoning of your choice. Mix it very well. Dressing is ready, so now add mixed shredded cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, and green onions. Mix till well combined. And that's it. Coleslaw is ready in minutes. Fry the cutlets in oil over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. This looks perfect. Let's fry all cutlets like this. Once they are cooked, transfer the vegan cutlets to a plate lined with paper towel to absorb any excess oil. The exterior is very crispy. Let's hear it. These avocado chickpea cutlets smell delicious and has perfect golden color too. Serve them hot and crispy on a platter with creamy coleslaw and a dip of your choice. Wow, these are so delicious, crispy from outside and so creamy inside. Enjoy these creamy avocado chickpea cutlets, completely plant-based, as a side or just as an appetizer. The creaminess from avocado is just amazing, combined with nutty and buttery flavor of chickpeas. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Culinary Crossroads and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our delicious delights. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next video.